Good afternoon. My name is Katrina Albright. It is March 19th, 2021. This is my chicken wing dissection for UNE Anatomy 1005 course. So first we're going to show you the dissection here. Here, the bones that make up that joint here, we've got our humerus. The radius is up top here. I'm not sure if you can see it, and the ulna runs down below. So we have humerus, radius, ulna. That's going to form this joint here that we're talking about. The articular cartilage is going to be this tough white cartilage here. The synovial membrane is going to be the thinner membrane down in here that you can see, this thin membrane. The synovial fluid is in there. That's what allows our bones and stuff to slide past each other, that synovial fluid. The whole thing is the articular capsule here, and you can see as we move the capsule, we can move it. One of the diseases that affects the joint there could be a synovitis or a rheumatoid arthritis. Synovitis is anything itis, of course, is going to be the inflammation. So that synovial sac is going to get irritated. So the fluid in there, it's going to swell. It's going to cause a lot of pain, that synovitis. The rheumatoid arthritis is more of the inflammation of the joint itself. Sometimes it's from overuse. Sometimes it's just genetic. So RA is going to attack that synovial joint. We're going to get a lot of pain, a lot of stiffness, some swelling. You're going to have a lot of loss of mobility there. You're also going to see that there could be some deformity from that swelling. It'll actually deform that joint, so making walking on it or using on it very painful. RA usually attacks a very mobile joint, so we get arthritis of the shoulder, we get a lot of arthritis of the knee, a lot of runners, or people that maybe some tennis, things that are going to overuse that joint to the point where we're going to cause the inflammation. So the disease is going to alter the normal anatomical structure of that joint by swelling, by using the swelling is going to get in there and move things and twist things around just to make space for that fluid. So from there, we're going to see the deformity of the knee, of the bone, of the shoulder. It's going to cause quite a lot of pain for the patient. So RA medication or some physical therapy, trying to be active, get that moving, get that fluid drained out of there is going to be most beneficial for our patient.